It's Chloe's birthday today. Hi, Chloe. You want to open your present?
Yeah.
Open your present.
Open it, Chloe.
Open your present.
Open it.
Move.
What is it?
Thank you, Mommy.
Happy birthday.
Wow.
It's starting. Happy birthday to Chloe. Happy birthday to Chloe. Happy birthday to Chloe. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Chloe. How old are you? How many fingers? How old are you?
Chloe, how old are you?
3.